how to log in WhatsApp with email verification. Now, many of the times you might have added an email address to your WhatsApp account, and basically having that, maybe you're trying to add a new WhatsApp account and log in. Normally, it will allow WhatsApp users to add an email address to their account, which can be used for two-step verification, and in many cases as a secondary method to receive a registration code if the SMS delivery fails. In order to do so, first normally you go ahead and then enter your phone number as you normally would right here. And if you've associated an email address with this phone number, you'll find the option to go ahead and then basically verify that phone number as well. So you can tap the yes button, and it may ask you to verify the number. And if sometimes the SMS is not reachable for any means or any reasons as such, then in that case you should be able to basically verify it using your email address. So you'll find an option to select verify with email address instead, and once done you will then be able to go ahead and then log in WhatsApp with email verification as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.